Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys talkback problem, how to fix. Friends, you have your talkback problem and guys now you are not operating your Tecno mobile. Friends, you can see I am not operating my phone. Friends, you can see my back button is not working. Friends, you can see. So how can I fix guys this talkback problem in Tecno phone? So don't worry guys, you can fix your talkback problem only 1 and 2 minutes guys. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to use guys your two finger to fix guys your talkback. Friends, you can see I can scroll my screen with two finger. Friends, one finger you cannot scroll it. So friends, you will have to click on guys your talk means phone setting. First of all, to fix talkback, friends, click on phone setting and get double tap continue. Friends, don't click one tap guys, you cannot on setting. Friends, you can see. So guys, continue to tap and guys after on to tap friends, click on guys any setting first of all, then guys you can scroll easily. Friends, you can see one finger we cannot, two finger guys you will have to use, two finger use it, scroll special function guys, click here and guys double tap here and guys click on guys your accessibility setting. So I will click on accessibility setting and guys will double tap. Friends, you can see accessibility menu, I translate, select to speak, switch access and talkback. So guys we will click on talkback setting with double tap and guys you can see use talkback guys, you will have to click on use talkback and guys now you can fix easily your talkback problem guys with double tap here guys. Friends, you can see cancel option and stop button. So guys you will have to click on guys your stop button and with double tap. Now guys you can see we have fixed this talkback problem easily guys, we can operate our phone, we can use our phone screen without any talkback problem. So like that guys, you can fix your talkback problem in any Android device and any Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.